Hello everybody, hope you're all doing fine. I am back with yet another video on Quick Guide. Today in this video I'm going to guide you through how to redeem a code on your e-account. So if you want to redeem a certain code in your e-account and you do not know where to put that or how to get started, then this video is for you. Today in this video I'm going to absolutely guide you through the process of redeeming a code on your e-account. So if you want to learn how, then keep watching the video till the end and do not forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now, in order to redeem a code on your e-account, first of all, go ahead and tap on Safari, and then you'll be entered in your home screen of your e-account. So now what you have to do is go ahead and tap on that little profile icon which is in the top. After you do that, you'll be available with an option called account settings. So go ahead and tap on account settings, and then you will be entered in the screen on your mobile phone. So go ahead and zoom that, and then you can find a redeem product code options under about me. Now all you have to do is click on a redeem product code, and then you'll enter in a page where it will ask for you to enter your product code. So here, go ahead and tap on the box of product code and then provide them with your code. Go ahead and tap on your code and then tap on next. So it's simply done. That's how you can easily redeem a code on your e-account. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment section if you have a comment or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial like this. Goodbye till then.